Currently at the intersection of US 1 and Post Road, we're out here installing traffic counters to look at the current traffic volumes and traffic movements. We collect that data to update our signal timing to make sure that roadway traffic is traveling in the most efficient way possible. We do that by just effectively counting the number of cars that go through the intersection and which way they go. Each one of those values, once we've collected it, we can look at that, analyze it, run it through certain data analysis and use that to determine how long we need to have each portion of the signal, the greens, the yellows, different turn movements with turn arrows and such. We adjust those timings to make the intersection work as efficiently as possible. We're currently going to be doing recounts on about 40 to 50 signals. We're starting off on the US 1 corridor right now. That's going to be our heaviest traffic flow, and we do this in coordination with the Florida Department of Transportation. We'll look at this particular corridor first, and then several weeks after this, we'll be moving our counters around to count the other intersections that are primarily owned by the City of Melbourne and maintained, using the data we collect there to adjust our timings to make sure the entire network runs efficiently. One of the most important things that we do about this is traffic is always changing, so we always want to make sure that we are optimizing our signal system and our signal network to make traveling for the general public as easy and as quick as humanly possible.